Scene one, take one, Mark.
Are we rolling? We're rolling. All right. My name is Lauren Burgell, and I'm a professional life coach. I help people design the life they really want. People come to me for coaching when they're looking for more, right? Like they might have everything on the outside, but there's just a lack of fulfillment or joy or maybe even peace. Or people who they have goals and they just haven't been able to reach them and they can't quite identify what's standing in their way. Coaching is a powerful experience where you get to identify your true passions and motivations and uncover limiting beliefs and boundaries. And I partner with my clients to design actions that will help them reach their goals and create new mind structures for learning opportunities. So when I was 33 years old, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. On my cancer journey, I learned how to truly surrender to the present moment and learned gratitude. And there's so much joy that comes from just being present in the moment. I learned what true resiliency looks like, and I got to consciously rebuild my identity without any input from the world. It came from within myself. I'm a coach because I love seeing people thrive. I know through my own trials and tribulations, from dealing with depression in my 20s and leaving corporate America and starting my own business, and then my cancer journey, that life can be hard, but there is another side to it, and we all have this wisdom within us. It just needs a little bit of coaxing to come out. So having a coach is having someone who is dedicated to your success, and I'm gonna be there to support you through all of the ups and the downs. Through coaching, you get to connect deeply with yourself on a level maybe you haven't before. And in that, you get to unlock this true power that you didn't even know was there. And that's the key to designing the life you really want. The sky's the limit.